You can also add multiple variations of the same watch face on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So right now you can see this watch face, and now if I long press and swipe, you will find that there is another variation of this watch face that I can use, and then another variation of this watch face that I can use, and I can still add more variations of this same watch face. So if I go here and find this watch face, and this is also a new interface for your watch faces on your watch, by the way, which is also very streamlined and really great. It's easier to find your watch faces because they have been categorized into these cards. So there you go, I've got this watch face here, stretch time, and if I tap on it, now that's another variation of the same watch face. So you can add a lot of variations and customize them differently, and then have all of these variations live on your watch, and then it takes you seconds to switch between different variations. Now if I customize it differently, I can just change the style of this one. And select it. Now I have a different variation. You can even find more customization options if you open your Galaxy Wear app on your phone. And you can do this with almost all the latest watch faces that Samsung has added to their Galaxy watches.